To get started, ensure the subfloor is smooth, dry and free from dust. We recommend installing ultralight insulation boards for optimum performance, especially when heating over a concrete subfloor or an unheated area. Next, apply a thinset layer to the substrate using a 1/4 by 1/4 square notch trowel. Use with modified or unmodified thinset. Cut your membrane sheets or roll to size and press into the thinset using a float or roller, removing any air pockets. Lay additional membrane, as above, being mindful to align the pegs. Keep in mind that fleece-back membrane is available in sheets and rolls. Once membrane is down, mark out the floor with a permanent marker and/or tape showing where fixtures and other unheated areas will be. Measure and record the resistance of the heating cable before, during, and after the installation using a multimeter cable tester. Install your heating cable at 2 to 3, 3 to 4, or 4 peg spacing, depending on your output needs. We don't recommend 2 peg spacing only. When it comes to heat output and square foot, closer spacing creates more heat and less square foot coverage, and the opposite, as spacing is further apart. Channel a groove in the membrane and subfloor for the cold tail and termination joints, but do not tape over these joints. For best results, position the sensor probe centrally between 2 runs of the heater to ensure even temperature distribution and efficient operation. Also, do not cross the probe wire over heated wire. Now, place the floor sensor. This is a correct floor sensor and backup sensor placement. Also, make sure the end cap and the factory joint are laying flush with the floor, so that they get fully embedded in thinset. Completely encapsulate the heating cables with approximately 3/8 of self-leveling or thinset for optimal heat transfer. The DCM-Pro system may be ready to tile the same day and can be done in a 1 or 2 step process. Consult the setting manufacturer instruction manual. DCM-Pro is also compatible with other flooring types. See manual for details.